I welcome you once again on to Tulsi's Poetry Corner, of course, on 7th of May 2026 on Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore's birthday. His Nobel Prize acceptance speech was a long one, and it was straight from the heart. He did not pretend or to be formal and things like that. I have another publication of Gitanjali. I have a few editions, and this is by Rupa, and this includes the acceptance speech in the end. So I would like to read a few words from it, and then I will read a poem of mine. We must go deeper down to the spirit of man and find out the great bond of unity which is to be found in all human races. And for that we are well equipped. We have inherited the immoral works of our ancestors, those great writers who proclaim the religion of unity and sympathy in say, he who sees all beings in himself, who realizes all beings as himself, knows truth. That has once again to be realized, not only by the children of the East, but also by the children of the West. So he is speaking about the Upanishads and speaking about humanity and a united humanity. I would now like to read a poem of mine, and it is titled Highway to Eternity. It is here in this ineffable calm that my consciousness gets dynamically stabilized. The other states come and go, I just get to witness them. The ascent and descent, the brimming and limitation, all is being dealt by grace divine. The individual will seeks the one will alone. Faith and devotion take away from my being, bit by bit, all that creates discord, and leave all at Mother's feet. I rest my gaze on the golden peaks, mesmerized by the lunar magic. I swing in the lap of time, feeling the power of Kala. Trapped in its spiritual womb, I go reeling many a time. The evolutionary pull of the Godhead above makes me stride over a moonlit ripple. A dark cloud lingering in a hidden corner within gets bombarded by a sight or sound and suddenly rises up to fall back over me, creating imbalance. Transcendence at every revelation while observing a state, a becoming through an extension of consciousness. From the remote to the beyond is the rule on the highway to eternity. From the remote to the beyond is the rule on the highway to eternity. Thank you very much. The poem speaks of the inner journey, and it is not easy. Thank you very much.